news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 11 from verse 14 to verse 23. Jesus and Beelzebub. One time Jesus did run one demon out of one man. No, the man couldn't talk because the demon did make him dumb. After Jesus run out the man start chat and everybody will see what happened jaw drop open. But some of them say, a Beelzebub, the demon ruler, give him power to run out demon. Some other people in the crowd did want to test Jesus to see if really God sent him. So them asked him if he want a sign to prove that God sent him. Jesus didn't know what it day in their mind. So him said to them, say, one kingdom nah go last if the people them will live in it a fight against them one another. It a go mash up. Any family will fight against them one another must mash up. So if Satan a fight against himself, how in kingdom for last? Me a ask you this since you say a Beelzebub give me power for run out demon. No, if a Beelzebub give me power for run out demon, then I who give funo people power for run them out. Uno own people are go say uno wrong about me. But if a God give me power for run out demon, that means say God a rule amongst uno already. When one strong man we have weapon a guard in house, everything may own safe. But if somebody we stronger than him attack him and win him, the stronger one I go take away the weapon them where the man did think say would I keep him safe and share up all away him take. Anybody we know depend for me side against me and all who not help me gather a scatter. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.